Hey everybody, it's Lily and me, and we are back with another video. This is just a quick video. Sorry. I just want to say thank you to each and every person that has subscribed to my channel. I have officially hit 500 subscribers as of today, so that's pretty awesome. I really enjoy making videos. It's my favorite hobby. As long as you guys keep watching, I will continue to make them. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and say thanks again. Today is the day before Valentine's Day. So I went out and, tried to find something unique for Shane for Valentine's Day. I didn't want to get him anything like cologne or candy or, anything cliche. So I wanted to give him something different and unique. That he would not expect. So I went shopping today and I found him this model airplane at Hobby Lobby. And it's really cool because it's already painted. It doesn't require any glue. It comes with a screwdriver to put all the pieces together. So it's not a complicated model for him to put together. So he won't be throwing it against the wall. It's something easy because Shane has no patience for when it comes to fine details. So I figured he would enjoy this. He loves airplanes. He is like a kid when it comes to airplanes and helicopters. So I think he's going to really enjoy this. But yeah, I can't wait to give it to him. And so I didn't buy him a card. I'm going to make a card. That's another thing. I don't see the point in spending $6 or $7 on a card that's just going to be shoved in a drawer or thrown away. So I'm just going to make my own little card for him tonight out of cardboard and give him that with his model airplane. So we're also going to be going out to dinner tomorrow night. He made reservations for a restaurant called Bonefish Grill. And so that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow night. And this evening, we're actually going to go to a movie. I think I want to go see The Shape of Water. I've really wanted to see that because I think it's going to be an excellent movie. So that's what our plan is this Valentine's Day this year. But that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. Again, I just want to say thank you for everyone that subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. It makes me feel good that you guys enjoy watching the content that I'm putting out. And I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and if you're doing anything special, why don't you let me know what you're doing and what you plan on giving your significant other or loved one for Valentine's Day. So I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Be good to each other, and I will talk to you guys later.